At pakilala ka na po.
Hi, I'm Althea Arena representing Binyan City.
Hi everyone, I'm Charlie Gardegalupig representing Municipality of Camino.
Hi, I'm Vinicica Romero representing Tila.
Okay, ikaw unahin ko. Kung may superpower ka bilang Lakambini, ano ito?
Probably teleport. Syempre, I would love to teleport to places. Syempre, Laguna is known for so many things, the nature. So I would love to teleport faster so I can enjoy the nature more. And, thank you.
Okay, yun na yun. Eto na. Kung may love team name ka sa pageant na ito, ano ang itatawag sa inyo?
Love team name? For me po,
Sa'yo, with your, special someone dito, kung meron man.
wala po single po kasi ako eh. Pero, siguro kung may love po,
Hypothetical lang.
love Charlie.
Gano'n na lang. Kung sakali man magkaroon ng ganong itatawag sa'yo.
Yes, sorry po.
Yun na yung love team na itatawag kung if ever man. Yun na yun yung nabanggit mo. Okay. Sige, okay na yun. Kung may sarili kang slogan, ano ito?
If I'd have my own slogan, it would be Althea May Alaga. Because I am an advocate for healthcare. Ever since I started joining pageant, when I was 15 years old, I've already been a committed advocate to healthcare.
Okay, ikaw naman una kung tatanungin, kung may soundtrack ang pagrampa mo mamaya or sa darating na coronation, anong kanta ito?
Actually, I've been always listening to Glow. Glow. And it's a music that's always in my head and keeps me pumped up and energetic. So, ayun po.
Okay, eto na kuya. Coffee o milk tea habang naghahanda para sa pageant at bakit?
I go for Ice Americano po.
Oh, wow. At bakit?
Diet po kasi. Mababa yung calories.
Okay, heto naman, last na to. Kung may team song ang journey mo, ano ito?
It would be water kasi the journey is so sexy and the flow of it truly resonates with me.
Okay. Please invite them on your coronation night and your social media accounts.
Hi guys, I am inviting you to watch our coronation night on March 20 at the festival grounds of Adilang.
And your social media
My social
account?
media is Venice Miguel Romero on Facebook and Venice Miguel Romero on IG as well.
Okay. Same with her.
So magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Charlie Galupig. At iniimbitahan ko kayo manood po ng aming preliminary pageant competition at SM City San Pablo. At iniimbitahan ko din po kayo na manood ng aming coronation night on March 20 na gaganapin po sa Santa Cruz, Laguna at Capital Festival Ground.
And of course, your social media account.
Please follow my social media account on my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. My username is Charlie Galupig.
Okay.
Hi Laguna, I'm Althea Arena and I'm inviting you all to please watch and support us on March 8th. That will be our free pageant which will be held on Laguna Sports Complex, and of course our coronation night will be on March 20. That will be on Festival Grounds. And please do follow me on my social media accounts, https.althea, and of course Althea Arena on Facebook. Thank you!
Okay, patingin naman ng inyong winning wave for the viewers. Winning wave as a grand winner. Go! Thank you. Good luck on your pageant journey.